Get noticed in this 2006 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.